If you're looking for how to connect and disconnect your Hamster Kombat from your wallet, or if your wallet is not showing Hamster Kombat in the dApps area, I'm going to answer all that question in this video. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. For those of you that are new, my name is Kingsley, aka Investor Black, and I make videos around crypto and making money online. I also focus on tutorials helping the newbies to carry them along, basically. Yeah, so if you head over to this airdrop area here and you click on it, you see that I have connected my wallet, right? And it's showing my wallet here, right? But the problem now is that a lot of us don't know how to connect our other, like to disconnect it. If you connect it and maybe you made a mistake and you want to disconnect it, there is no option to disconnect it from here, right? Because this is the wallet that they've shown as your wallet here, right? And there's no connect your wallet button here. So I'm going to show you some things that might work for you. So if I head over to my home page and I show you the wallets I've installed for the purpose of this video. By the way, in my previous video about how to connect your wallet, I showed how you can set up your Keeper wallet, your my wallet, Hub wallet, right? So I'm going to also be showing you how to disconnect it in these three wallets. So if you're using Keeper like myself, I'm using Keeper. Click on your Keeper app. Once you click on it, it's going to open up. So once your Keeper opens up, you're going to be presented with this page right here. If you've created multiple wallets, you want to switch to the particular wallet you want to check for. For example, I'm checking for my wallet, right? My wallet, which is this one right here. If you click on it and you click on this button that says browser here, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see explore, connect, US at the very top, right? If you click on connected, you're going to see your Hamster Kombat. Now if you want to disconnect your Hamster Kombat, all you have to do is press and hold, and it's going to show remove. So you can't remove Hamster Kombat from the website, but you can remove it from your wallet, right? And if you want to change your wallet, you can go ahead and chat them up. If after removing it from here it does not reflect on the website, you can go ahead and chat them up and they will like clear the cache. For web developers, there's what we call cache. Even after you've taken an action, it used to be stored for a duration of time, right? You get, and that duration sometimes takes about 30 to 90 days. So for them to be able to remove it for you manually, they have to manually clear it from their own end for it to be empty again, so you can start afresh to put in your Hamster Kombat. That is for my Keeper. That's for Keeper, right? Let me check pre-turn if I'm going to also see the same thing. So I'm going to go to browser, I'm going to go to connected, and let's see if I'm going to see pre-turn. So I'm not seeing anything here under connected for pre-turn, right? Have I even connected it? I'm not sure. Let me look for a wallet that I've connected. Let me see Gamey. Have I connected my Gamey or Yes Coin? I think I've connected Yes Coin. So let me use Yes Coin yellow, for example, and I click on browser. Sorry for wasting your time, guys. So this is for Yes Coin. As you can see, it's showing here as well. So if you go ahead and you export this wallet now, that's for the second question. Maybe you've connected it but it's not showing here. It means that you are using a third-party wallet. You have to go and reinstall the original wallet that you used. So what I tried was that I exported the phrase for this wallet into Hub and I imported it into Hub. The wallet is showing in Hub, the balance is showing in Hub as well. But this, when I go to Hub, I don't see the connected apps, right? So that is one thing you need to pay attention to. So for those of you that you're not seeing this in your app, it simply means that maybe that is not the original wallet you installed that you created that wallet on, right? You need to go back to the original one and import it back and see if it's going to show up. If it doesn't show up, like I said, then you have to chat Hamster Kombat team and let them know that you want to change your wallet, and they would disconnect it from their own end, right? That is for Keeper. Then for the next one, which is my Ton wallet, click on the Ton wallet app. So once you click on the Ton wallet app, what you're going to see is the page showing you activity, explore, NFT, and stuff like that. But you're not going to go to any of these tabs because you're not going to find it there. Where you're going to go to is this place right here. Beforehand, you must have switched to your Ton wallet, the one you used for your Hamster Kombat, right? Make sure it's the one that is connected to your Hamster Kombat that is being shown here, right? Then click on this sprocket icon. Once you click on it, you're going to see a bunch of options. Go to where it says connected dApps. dApp stands for decentralized apps. Click on it and you're going to see your Hamster Kombat here. If you import a wallet that is already connected to Hamster Kombat here, it's not going to show here. I've tried it, and that is why I'm confidently saying it to you, right? So that's for my Ton wallet. So for those of you that are using my Ton wallet, if yours is not showing, that is basically the reason. Maybe you imported your wallet from another wallet, right? So if you basically want to connect this particular wallet to Hamster Kombat, then you have to disconnect it from the previous wallet, create a separate wallet here, then connect that wallet. But for you to do that, you obviously need to talk to the Hamster Kombat team. So that is it for this particular one. Then for the third one, which is Ton Hub, click on Ton Hub. It's going to open up the user interface. Once it opens up the user interface, you're going to see your connected wallet. As you can see, I have just one here, right? The one I used in my previous video. Now what you need to do is head over to this place that says browser. Once you head over to browser, go to where it says connections. This is where you're supposed to see it, but if you don't see it here, check extensions, right? So this is basically where you're going to see it. Then all you have to do is press and hold, like I did on the Ton Keeper, to disconnect it. So that's basically it for how to disconnect and connect your wallet. And the answer to those of you that have not seen your wallet in your Hamster Kombat in the dApps area, it simply means that you're using an imported wallet, right? If you're not using an imported wallet and it's still showing, you can leave a comment in the comment section, then I'm going to look into it and see how I can help you guys. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. If you're just joining in for the first time, please do well to give me a thumbs up, show me some support, subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friend, anybody that might find this helpful, share the video to them. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye, and see you on the next one.